Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 7. In this unit, it's a chapter. The chapter name is Fair Play. What? The chapter name is Fair Play. Okay, I have told you the story of the three parts. Now comes to the MCQ. Here given the 5 MCQs. The MCQs are: the first MCQ is the old lady was. This 5 MCQ comes from the part 1. Okay, so the first MCQ is the old lady was. Who was the old lady? Jumman's mother, Jumman's sister, Jumman's aunt, none of the above. The old lady was. Who was the old lady? The old lady was Jumman's aunt. Who? Jumman's aunt. Here C is the correct answer. Okay. Now comes to the second. When Jumman's aunt transferred her property. When Jumman's aunt transferred her property, there was a condition. She made it. Which condition? C. There was an agreement. There was no agreement. Jumman turned her out and Jumman didn't bother. So, here, when Jumman's aunt transferred her property, means give to her property to Jumman's, there was an agreement. Which agreement he made? Afterwards, I am tell you. But it's an agreement. There was an agreement gave to live in her house. Okay, and took care of her. That's the agreement. Okay. Number third, according to the understanding, the old lady was understanding. Okay, according to the understanding, the old lady was to get some money, to stay with Jumman, to forget about her property, still the own of property. So, according to the understanding between the aunt and the Jumman, to stay with Jumman. What? To stay with Jumman. That is the understanding of the word. Now comes to number 4. The change in situation was that. The old lady was turned out of the house, was beaten, was regularly insulted, wanted her property back. So, the change in situation was that the old lady, after a few days, few months, that was insulted by Jumman and her wife regularly. So, option C is the correct answer, was regularly insulted. Now comes to number 4, understanding. The word understanding is, what is the meaning of the word understanding? Gerund, verb, adjective or noun. Though this word understanding is noun. Okay. Now the next MCQ. Okay. Here given the paragraph in the first. Okay. So the paragraph here given, my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Okay. So the first MCQ, Jumman's remark. Jumman's remark shows that so far as her wife's behavior was concerned, he was what? Satisfied, dissatisfied, angry or upset. So Jumman's remark shows that what? Satisfied. What? A. Satisfied. Option A is the correct answer. The word shamelessly indicates the Jumman was. Shamelessly the word indicates that Jumman was foolish, sympathetic, against his wife or unrepentant. So option D is the correct answer. Shamelessly means unrepentant, indicates the unrepentant. Number 3, the aunt expected. Jumman's aunt expected what? Just what Jumman did. a different response was Jumman's wife to change. So the unexpected different response. Here Jumman seamlessly. This made her aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Why? Because she got the different response. Okay. Now comes to number 4. The aunt expected the village panchayat. The aunt expected the village panchayat to do her a favor, to get her back her property, to do justice, to punish Jumman. So what the aunt expect from the village panchayat to get the justice, mean to do justice from the panchayat. Okay. Satisfy is the correct answer from first, second unrepentant, third a different response, and the fourth is to do justice. Then next in part 2. Okay, in second part, the first MCQ. The first MCQ is the aunt was speaking to. The aunt was speaking to Jumman, Algu, Panch or Jumman's wife. Here given the paragraph. I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Okay, so the first MCQ, after seeing this paragraph, the first MCQ, the aunt was speaking to whom? Speaking to Algu, because Algu is the main head of the panchayat that day. That is why. Okay, number second, she knew that. Who knew that? Aunt knew that. Jumman's aunt knew that Algu and Jumman were friends. Algu would never speak against Jumman. Algu was Jumman's enemy and Jumman could influence Algu. So what she knew, that means aunt knew that Jumman and Algu both were good friends. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Number third, the old aunt had great faith in. The aunt had great faith in whom? Jumman, Algu, Panch or herself? No. So see this word Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. Who's Panch? So she believed in Panch, great faith in Panch. Number 4, the old lady had a case against whom? Algu, Jumman's wife, the villagers or Jumman. So the old lady had a case against Jumman. Okay, number 5. The word conscious means conscious, awareness, an inner sense or science. So the word conscience means an inner sense. Okay. So the first answer, speaking to whom? Algu. She knew that, aunt knew that Algu and Jumman were best friends. Had great faith in what? Panch. Jumman. Old lady case against whom? Jumman, and the word conscience means an inner case. Then next. Okay, here Algu had a case against whom? Jumman, Jumman's aunt, Sahu and Jumman's wife. So Algu had a case against Sahu because he already sold his buffalo. He sold his buffaloes against buffaloes to Sahu. That is why he case against Sahu in panchayat. The previous panchayat was held to decide the case between whom? Jumman and his wife, Jumman and Sahu, Algu and Jumman, and Algu and the old lady. So the previous panchayat, when the Algu was the head of the Panch, that time the previous panchayat was held to decide the case between whom? That time aunt case against the Jumman. So the case was A, Jumman and his aunt. That was the case. Okay. In the third, in the phrase both the parties One party was Algu, and his case was that Sahu had killed his bullock. Sahu had stolen his money. Sahu had bought his bullock but not paid for it, and Sahu had stolen his bullock, which is now dead. So in the phrase both the party means he what? Sahu had bought his bullock but not paid for it. Sahu had bought, and that was the condition. He made it, which after a month I will give you the money. But before that, the bullock was dead. So Sahu didn't pay the money to the Algu. That's why Algu decided to case against Sahu in Panchayat. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Both parties began to meet villagers to seek their support. However, it seems that Algu must not have met what? Jummans and common people, the Panch or Jumman. So both parties began to meet villagers to seek their support. However, it seems that Algu must not have met. Must not have met who? Jumman. Who? Jumman. Okay. Now number 5, the verb form of preparation that is prepared, past form, prepare, pair and propose. So the B is the main verb of preparation. Okay, so in the first Sahu, in the second Jumman and his aunt, in the third Sahu had bought his bullock but not paid for it, and seek their support means Jumman whom, and prepare is the verb. Then comes to here the paragraph. Here given, Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. But what could he do? That is the paragraph and its question. 5 questions. Okay, first, Sahu saw his chance because he was sure that Jumman would give the decision. Sahu saw his chance. His chance means before that when Jumman's aunt case against whom? Jumman's aunt case against Jumman. That time Algu was the main head of the Sarpanch. Now comes to Sahu knew that. Now his turn to take revenge against Algu. So Sahu knew that is the good chance to select the head of the Panch. Okay, so first Sahu saw his chance because he was sure that Jumman would give the decision against whom? Against Algu. Whom? Against Algu. Now second, Algu's heart sank because Jumman. Algu's heart sank because Jumman was his friend, was Sahu's friend, wanted revenge against him and was unjust. So Algu's heart sank because Jumman wanted revenge against him. Okay, now comes to the third. Algu could not do anything because he had. Algu could not do anything because he had. He had what? Asked Sahu to nominate the Panch. That is the correct answer. Because this time Algu case against Sahu and he knew Sahu asked the nomination of head of the Panch. Okay, so in the third, A is the correct answer. Now the fourth, everybody knew that justice was on the side of. Everybody knew that in the second part. Okay, everybody knew that justice was on the side of Jumman, Sahu, Jumman's aunt or Algu. So the fourth answer is Algu. Okay. Now number 5, the noun form of sank. Noun form of sank is sinking, not sin, sinker or sunk. Okay, sinking is the noun form. Then next MCQs are, okay, here is given the paragraph. Jumman came to Algu soon after his bullock was dead. He was nominated a Panch. The Panchayat was over. His aunt brought a case against him. Jumman came to Algu soon after the panchayat was over. Okay, soon after Jumman came to Algu. Jumman came to Algu soon after. That is the question. Okay, soon after. Who embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realize what it meant to be a punch." Okay, so soon after that. Okay, in the third part, Jumman had become Algu's enemy because Algu had cheated him. Algu had given a verdict against him. His aunt had gone to Algu's house, and Algu was a bad man. So Jumman had become Algu's enemy. Why? Because Algu had given the in the favor of his aunt. Okay, the decision was given to her aunt's favor. So Algu had given a verdict against him. That is why Jumman had taken the what? Revenge against him. Third, Jumman realized what it was to be a punch when. Option: he became a punch himself. Algu became a punch. He got verdict against himself, and Algu's bullock was dead. So in the third, Jumman realized when he became the head of the punch. So option A is the correct answer. He became a punch himself. Okay, number 4. The moral of the passage is that the most important thing in life, friendship, enmity, love, or justice. So he knows here given the justice when he become the punch. So option D is the correct answer. Now comes to number 5th. Deviate. The word deviate opposite is option C, continue. Deviate means discontinue, means here the opposite means continue. Then here see, objective type questions means the MCQs. Okay, so the first MCQ, Jumman and Algu were. Who were these two? Jumman and Algu. They both were good friends. What? Both were good friends. So second is the correct answer. Number 2, the villagers held them. What? The villagers held them means both Jumman and Algu. What? In high esteem. What? In high esteem. They both were good in the house. So villagers gave them respect. Number 3, the attitude of Jumman towards the aunt became undesirable, was good, hurt him, and was loving. So the attitude of Jumman towards the aunt became undesirable, not desirable, undesirable after few months. Okay, number 4, the word looked after means what? Took care of. Number 5, the aunt decided. What did the aunt decide? To separate, to appeal to the panchayat, to cook herself, and to leave the village. So after not getting the good respect, Jumman's aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat. So second is the correct answer. Now number 6, Jumman believed that Algu would never go against him, is his enemy, was his friend, will leave him. Jumman believed that Jumman and Algu were good friends, but Jumman believed that what? Algu would never go against him. Why? Because they were good friends. Okay. Number 7, Algu's nomination as head punch made Jumman. When Jumman decided nominate this Algu as a head of the punch, so Jumman was very happy. What? Very happy. Complete the statement. God lives. God lives in what? In the heart of the punch. So in third is the correct answer, in the heart of the punch. So friends, these are the MCQs of unit 7. Okay, I hope you understand about these MCQs. Thank you.